Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use the Impact Sub Tutoring Schedule to enter data. It's pretty simple, but first you have to find it. So start off with your web browser. Go to Google Drive. Choose your shared drives. Choose the Bethune shared drive, MMBES shared drive. Once the shared drive opens, you're going to go to the folder called Tutoring right here. Open the Tutoring folder and notice that there is a sheet in here called Impact Sub Tutoring Schedule. Open that tutoring schedule. Okay, if you'll notice, and this is important for you to take note of, the tutoring schedule has 6 sheets attached, 6 separate tabs in the sheet. All right, the first tab, the tutoring attendance tab, you don't have to do anything there. In fact, you're not even going to be able to edit anything on that sheet. You will, however, if you're an Impact Sub, you will choose one of these tabs, the one that corresponds to your name. When you choose the corresponding name, notice that what pops up is all of the students that are assigned to you and the groups that those students are in. So in this case, this is Ms. Gonzalez, and let's see. She has 5 students in Group A. These are the 5 students here. And Group A meets from 2 to 2:30 on Monday and Thursday. You can see she also has a Group B from 2:30 to 3 Monday, Thursday, a Group C from 2 to 2:30 on Friday, or Tuesday, Friday, and a Group D that's 2:30 to 3 on Tuesday, Friday. Okay, so what will you do here? What you will do is just mark the student as present if they happen to be present for that day. And you may also write a comment here to tell the teacher what is covered and also to document the work you did. Okay, once you've done that, hit enter. You'll notice that your comment stays in the comment. And if you've made a check mark, that means the student is present. Okay, so what does that do? If you look at the tutoring attendance now, notice that Aaliyah Estrada now has 1 day attended. If you go back to Ms. Gonzalez, she has 1 day attended. Now, let's say in the next week she comes both days, and then I'll look back here and notice now she has 3 days attended. Okay, so I'm going to click these off because so far Leah has not attended anything, but I just want to let you know how this works. Now I'm going to take out my comment. So what is your job? Your job is to mark them present if they are here. If they are not here, just leave the square blank and it'll count it as 0. Enter a comment. It doesn't have to be extensive, but it should cover. You should put a comment in there discussing, okay, what did you cover with the student? How attentive was the student? Or maybe a general idea of what he or she was doing during the class, during the tutoring session. Notice that down along this tab here, if I scroll over, all the weeks of the year for the rest of this year are entered in there. So potentially you could be having these students come every week for the rest of the year. Also notice that some weeks don't have Mondays, some weeks don't have Fridays, and so forth. But those are already accounted for, and you should be able to figure this out pretty easily on your own. All right. Again, your job is to take attendance by clicking the box to signify that the student was present. If they're not present, just leave it blank. Put a comment in to show what you covered. Also, the kind of response that you got from the student. And that's all you have to do is work with your sheet. The main sheet I'll deal with, and other people like Ms. Driver will deal with, and that's it. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. And I will talk to you soon.